What is going on, beautiful people? You already know the vibes. I am out here with another exciting video on the GTR. We are going to be putting together, hopefully putting together the trans, the subframe, and putting it all back together, put the clutch on, and so we can get this thing rocking. So I wish I could get it all done tonight, but I don't think that I really can. So the pile over here is getting smaller. As you can tell, I still do need an axle boot. Something that I've been like just totally forgetting about, to be honest with you. But yeah, we're just gonna we're just gonna get right into it, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the subframe and I'm gonna put it over here on this pallet over here, and we're just gonna try our best to try to get everything mated up and everything all together. So I do have a buddy of mine actually asked me if I was gonna change the rear main seal. It is right here. I was just waiting to actually get the motor off of the stand here, but we are ready to go finally. But I gotta carry this heavy freaking subframe, and I gotta bring it over here. Hopefully I can get it by myself. I'm just so strong, man, so I gotta pull it over by myself, you know what I mean? So no big deal, it is what it is. But yeah, let's set the camera up and let's get going. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so as you can tell, I have replaced the rear main seal, and we are more than ready to put this clutch on and make sure that we got everything okay. So my battery's about to run out, so let me hang this thing up right quick, and let me grab my other battery, and let's get this clutch opened, and so I can show you all the goodness. Let's go. All right. You see what this is? Listen, anytime you see anything with the word fragile on it, it's gonna be a good day. So what do we have here? Okay, so it's clutch time. So I have a brand new coppermix twin plate clutch for the GTR, and if you guys have any idea what this is, it is Nismo's take on the twin disc, and it is beautiful. So pretty. Oh my god, like listen, let me tell you guys something right now. I'm very upset that I have to put this in a car and you'll never see it again, but I mean, it is what it is. One of the things that I'm really dreading about doing this install is that I don't know what the clutch pedal is gonna feel like. So I'm very curious to see what it is actually gonna be, and hopefully it's not too super crazy. From what I was reading, a lot of people are saying that it feels almost like stock pedal feel. So if that's the case, I'll be very happy. But for right now, we need to get this bad boy on. It does come with a new throwout bearing and new flywheel bolts. So very, very nice. And what is this? It looks like a new, it looks like a dust cover, new dust cover. So that's really awesome. Plus some 5 horsepower stickers. These actually look really, really nice. They say like they're on like clear tape, which is so cool. More Nismo memorabilia to go onto the into my collection here. One thing that I'm missing is that I don't have a clutch alignment tool. That's weird. I thought I would have had one, but no big deal. It is what it is. I think this probably uses the same kind of clutch, you know, like alignment tool as like an Evo or whatnot. So as you can tell, there are alignment pins here so that it stay within balance. So we're gonna take this thing all apart and we're gonna get this bad boy on the car. So let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. It is so freaking nice. I'm not even lying when I tell you this. It is super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. And I cannot wait to get this in. I swear. Cannot wait. It is all torqued down, ready to go. And what we're gonna do is, yeah, slide this bad boy right up underneath. Make sure this plate, the backing plate, is good, which it looks like it is. And I can actually put this bad boy down. Oh boy, oh boy. And then we can finally get the transmission over there and try to mate it up and try not to make a mess out of it. So yeah, let's just get it going. All right, people, so I finally, after a little bit of fighting here, I actually got the subframe and the motor mounted all together. The wife is outside right now, struggling to get the truck in the driveway, so I'm gonna go help her real quick, and then we'll be right back with trying to get this thing mounted to that thing, and then we can call it a night. So give me 1 second, be right back. right, ladies and gentlemen, folks. So as you can tell, I am definitely struggling here. It is definitely a two-man job, that's for sure. But I will prosper. I don't know if that's the right word, but I will divide and conquer. So give me a little bit. Let me get this on, and we'll cut back once this bad boy is on. So give me 1 second. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are all fixed up here, and yeah, it didn't take me that much longer. As soon as I turned off the camera, like, I pretty much got it. I set like 4 screws. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably like 6 I think, around the bell housing there, plus the rear mount. So yeah, I think we're almost ready to kind of go back into the car. I do need to, on the next video, I will be finishing off this, because now that the transmission is in or on, I can actually do all that. I did, you know, put all the sensors back in, all the breather tubes for the transmission back on. I did put the drive shaft back in. I think that's really everything. So, like, legit, all I really need to do is to put this bad boy back in, snap everything back together, and I think we should be all completed, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with the way it's coming out. Yeah, everything spins pretty nicely too. Yeah, no binding or anything like that. So yeah, I'm very, very happy. I had some issues with the sway bar. It kind of got in my way. I don't know if I have it upside down or what the deal is with it, but I think I'm just gonna wait until I actually get the motor back in the car before I actually put it back on, just because I was a little confused. It was really weird. I don't know what was going on with it, but yeah, it is what it is. I'll definitely figure it out, that's for sure. But I definitely want to make sure I get everything back in the car that should be back in the car, and kind of go from there, because, you know, we are getting to that point where everything is looking kind of tidy. Like, legit, all I really need to do is deal with these lines, before this bad boy goes back up. And then everything else is really up in there. So, like, the harness for the injectors are all up there. The breathers for the what you want to call that, the foot assist, I don't know what you want to call it. I forgot. Like, I don't know, but I got a couple lines here. The fuel lines are here, so, like, I think I might just switch these out to 6 AN lines, in and out here. I don't know, like, there's an anti-chafe. I don't know. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but it is what it is. So I might just, like I said before, I might just switch some of these out to 6 ANs, because I'm already here. Might as well do it. It'll fit with these really, really nicely. And I think that should be really, it, to be honest with you. Everything else is kind of looking real tidy. So yeah, I'm getting super, super excited here. So very, very excited. But yeah, I don't know. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. There will be more. I will be finishing this up in the next couple videos here. So yeah, I don't really know. Like, I think I'm gonna leave this intake, all of these intake stuff, for after I get stuff in the car, you know, get everything in the car. So I think the only thing I'm gonna have to do is put the one hose here, and that comes up. I'll show you that, like, not in the next video, but in you know, future videos here. Like, it's coming up. Like, I'll show you exactly what that's for. But yeah, right now is not the time. I just want to get everything kind of tidied up and make sure everything looks really, really good. So like I said before, I ramble on a lot. So if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will have more on the GTR. So have a nice night. Deuces.